Sleep is a natural thing for everyone. So everyone is sleeping 1/3 of his day. We all know that.
But over the past decades, sleep has not changed at all. We launched Emma in 2015. Just a few months into this, though, it was really already skyrocketing.
There were people starting on social media, posting pictures with the Emma mattress. And it wasn't that we paid these people for it, but they just did it.
I guess we did less than 100,000 euros in the very first year. But it has grown very, very fast. We started off with one intern. She helped me actually, we together learned how Google AdWords works. We had no clue. So when we started, it felt like really, this is what I love. I actually remember the time when I was sitting until 6 a.m. in the morning to create our first tool on the website where we were consulting people on the right mattress. And I loved it. I mean, if we would have asked me on my past job, definitely not. But creating something that creates impact, that people use, that people appreciate, that's something I love doing.
If you put people with the right mindset into the right position, then it will only take them some weeks to gain the experience to perform on a very good level.
We sometimes have interns that more or less start a new country. So there's plenty of opportunity, and I think that is what also makes it so exciting, because there are so many people with different backgrounds, with different perspectives. They can create a superior decision and create a superior product. So how will we sleep in 10 years? To be very honest, I don't know, but I strongly believe it will be different to what we do now and how we sleep today.